Delta Force doesn't fight fair. They use some of the most advanced technology to ensure the enemy never even stands a chance. Here are the weapons Delta Force is known to use, based on what's publicly available, with assault rifles and carbines. Sig Sauer MCX Spear LT cutting-edge modular rifle that swaps configurations fast. Lightweight and handles like a dream. Modern engineering meeting real-world operator needs perfectly. Up next, Heckler & Koch HK416D. Piston system keeps it running clean and cool. The backbone of Delta Force from Abbottabad to Mosul. German engineering at its absolute finest and most reliable. Sig Sauer M7. 6.8mm round punches through modern armor. Next-gen platform with serious range and stopping power. Manageable recoil despite the heavy-hitting performance. The next one, Sig Sauer MCX LVAW. The Black Mamba lives up to its intimidating name. CAG's choice from Somalia to Syria for stealth. Whisper quiet and absolutely deadly at close range. Sig Sauer MCX Spear. Full-size beast handling high-pressure rounds with ease. Rock-solid reliability across all engagement distances. Built for long-range precision when missing isn't an option. Nesica Gen 3. Obsessive craftsmanship creates match-grade accuracy throughout. Feels like it was custom-made for elite shooters. Boutique quality meeting the highest operational standards. Nesica Gen 4. Improved controls and refined rail system push it further. Takes an already stellar platform to new heights. Sleek modern capability that makes operators smile. Now this is the Colt M4A1 SOPMod Block 2. Classic workhorse proven through countless battles. Free float rail boosts accuracy and accessory space. Special operations trust this upgraded design completely. Next up, precision and sniper rifles. Barrett Mark 22 ASR. Swap barrels and calibers in minutes for different missions. The unit's multi-tool from Iraq to Afghanistan. Master of adaptability with extreme long-range accuracy. Knight's Armament State Route 25. Semi-auto speed with bolt-action precision. Trusted by Delta marksmen for over 30 years. Community favorite combining accuracy with rapid follow-ups. Knight's Armament M110A2 SAS. Refined ergonomics dominating mid to long-range fights. Smooth shooting across variable engagement distances. Improved iteration of an already excellent system. Heckler & Koch 417 Hong Kong dollars. 7.62 punch in familiar 416 layout. Extra stopping power when targets hide behind cover. Big Brother firepower with comfortable carbine handling. Heckler & Koch G28. Dedicated marksman rifle built for extreme precision. Heavy-duty construction with crystal-clear optic mounting. CAG snipers trust it to find and engage distant targets. Barrett M107A1. Lighter .50 cal improving on the legendary original. Disables vehicles and obliterates hard cover easily. True powerhouse commanding respect on any battlefield. Macmillan TAC 50. World record shots prove its exceptional accuracy and power. When the target sits beyond 3 kilometers, bolt action precision for the most challenging engagements. Mark 13 Mod 7. .300 Win Mag provides serious reach. Bolt action reliability with rugged professional construction. Highly accurate system favored by specialists. Now let's look at submachine guns and PDWs. Sig Sauer MCX Rattler. Backpack sized with full rifle power. Submachine gun dimensions with carbine ballistics. Delta Force's ultimate PDW where space is tight. Heckler & Koch MP7A1. Tiny package designed to pierce body armor. Super controllable during rapid fire bursts. Perfect for close quarters and VIP protection details. The next one, BNT APC-9K. Swiss precision in an incredibly compact package. Chosen for smooth operation in confined spaces. Modern efficiency for close protection work. Next on the list is machine guns. Knight's Armament LAMG. Surprisingly portable despite serious sustained firepower. Manageable recoil from a lightweight belt-fed platform. Heavy punch without the traditional weight penalty. FN Mark 48 Mod 2. 7.62 authority from one operator. Squad-level suppression without needing a gun team. Hard-hitting firepower in a portable package. M240L. Titanium parts cut weight without sacrificing durability. Lightweight evolution of the proven medium gun. World-class sustained fire at extended ranges. Browning M2HB. Over a century of service speaks for itself. .50 cal devastation against vehicles and fortifications. Absolute icon of American sustained firepower. M134D minigun. Electric motor spinning thousands of rounds per minute. Creates a terrifying wall of lead. Ultimate aerial or vehicle-mounted defense system. Continuing with launchers and anti-armor. M320. Versatile 40mm launcher under rifles or standalone. Multiple ammo types expanding tactical options. Portable boom for operators needing explosive solutions. M32 MGL. 6-round cylinder saturating areas in seconds. Single operator delivering devastating explosive firepower. Game changer for breaking ambushes or clearing positions. M3 MAS. Multi-purpose recoilless system engaging tanks, bunkers, or personnel. Swedish engineering giving CAG operators anti-armor advantages. Heavy hitting in a shoulder-fired package. M72A7 Law. Lightweight disposable rocket solving armor problems quickly. Easy to carry multiples without weight burden. Simple but effective against fortified positions. FGM 148 Javelin. Fire and forget striking tanks through their top armor. Sophisticated seeker making it devastatingly lethal. Proven from Afghan mountains to Syrian deserts. And our last category is tactical robotics and drones. Black Hornet Nano. Palm-sized drone providing real-time video around corners. Scouts hostile areas completely undetected. Life-saving intel tool for urban reconnaissance missions. Throwbot 2. Ruggedized robot surviving throws and continuing to operate. Provides critical intel while keeping operators safe. Mobilize scouting ahead during building clearances. Endural Ghost X long-endurance autonomous platform with high-depth imaging. Advanced surveillance for extended intelligence gathering. Powerful airborne tool monitoring large operational areas. FPV drones. First-person view enabling precise scouting or strikes. Fast, agile platforms changing modern warfare tactics. Versatile systems adapting to evolving battlefield needs. Continuing with shotguns. Benelli M4. Unique gas system makes it super reliable. Semi-auto speed with Italian gold standard quality. Fast, rugged, perfect for breaching or close defense. The next one, Remington 870 MCS. Modular setup switches between full-size and compact. Mission-specific adaptability from one pump-action platform. Simple mechanics working flawlessly anywhere. Serbu Super Shorty, built for one job, blowing doors open. Compact enough to holster without getting in the way. Specialized breaching tool for dynamic entries. Now, let's look at breaching and specialty tools. Nico 9 Bang. Flashbangs. Multiple bangs disorienting enemies without permanent injury. Delta Force operators stun hostiles during room clearing. Essential non-lethal tool for controlling interior spaces. CTS Model 7290. Flashbangs. Single massive burst overwhelming human senses instantly. Global standard for tactical teams worldwide. Provides critical seconds to dominate hostile rooms. Slap Charge. Pre-configured explosive for rapid door breaching. Simple magnetic placement ensuring consistent effectiveness. The unit maintains momentum during high-speed raids. Handguns. Glock 19 Gen 5. The unit's favorite backup pistol that just works everywhere. Updated grip and barrel make it super reliable. When things go sideways, operators know this Austrian beauty won't quit on them. Staccato P. Race gun meets combat durability in one slick package. Fast, accurate, and stays flat during rapid fire. Delta operators love how it handles when speed matters most. Up next, Staccato XC. That built-in compensator kills muzzle flip completely. Shoots soft, shoots fast, and looks awesome doing it. The compensated pistol that other pistols dream about being. Sig Sauer P320M17. Modular design means you can swap parts for different missions. Tough in the field, easy to maintain anywhere. Simple enough to fix, reliable enough to trust your life to. Sig Sauer P320M18. The compact version packs full power in a smaller frame. Easier to carry without losing punch. Elite units dig the low profile with high capability. Sig Sauer P320X5 Legion. Weighted grip soaks up recoil like a champ. Competition accuracy meets battlefield toughness. This heavy hitter is serious business wrapped in excellent engineering. Now, this is the Glock 43X. Slim profile hides perfectly while staying comfortable to shoot. When blending in matters as much as firepower, the go-to for undercover work in civilian clothes. Glock 48. Longer sight radius in a super thin package. Wears comfortably all day without printing. Feels like a full-size but carries like a compact. Continuing with edged weapons. Winkler Knives Belt Knife. Hand-forged American steel for demanding professional use. Stays razor sharp and survives brutal abuse. No-nonsense tool trusted for everyday carry. Winkler R&D Tomahawk. Perfectly balanced for breaching and close-quarters combat. Modern take on a timeless tool, still remarkably useful in contemporary operations. Spartan Blades 514 Dagger. Classic double edge with modern materials and precision. Designed for specialized combat and utility roles. Elegant tool combining beauty with brutal effectiveness. Now this is the Benchmade Infidel. Out the front automatic deploying instantly with one hand. Sharp, reliable, lightning fast when it matters. Premium tool for immediate blade deployment situations.